We are feeling green, but in the best way possible. Gorgeous green tile is one of our all-time favorites. While it's not a neutral color, it works in just about any environment. It caters to a broad range of styles from rustic to chic, adding a dose of personality to any room. By the time we're done breaking down our favorite green-themed interiors, you're going to be feeling green too. First on our list is this boho-chic kitchen that uses emeraldy green tile for the backsplash. A jewel-toned green glaze paired with our herringbone tile creates a look that's artsy and eclectic, while also refined and glam. There's so much to love about this kitchen bar, but we especially love how it uses a dazzling green tile backsplash to stand out. The geometric pattern makes the backsplash feel fun and playful, while the white cabinets and brass finishes give the overall look a more polished, mid-century modern vibe. Green tile isn't just a great addition to your kitchen or wet bar, it can also make your fireplace pop. Case in point, this cozy pub's fireplace. Here, the emerald subway tile looks darker and moodier due to the lighting. The end result is a dramatic fireplace surround that's modern yet rugged. We adore how the green tile is used in this home's entryway. This specific floor uses our hexagon tile in a glaze that gives off multiple greenish hues, varying from rustic green to reddish brown. The varying shades of green create added texture and an organic look and feel that perfectly complements the homeowner's green thumb. This laundry room uses a dark, earthy green glaze that's as bold as it is calming. The herringbone pattern adds dimension and texture, with the brushstrokes visible on each and every tile. An added bonus? This tile is easy to clean and maintainable, which is especially useful in the laundry room. There's a place for green in just about every room, and the bathroom is no exception. This bathroom uses our hexagon tile in our signature Vermont green as a stylish accent. The dark green pairs well with the natural wood and brass fixtures, giving the bathroom a subtle, mid-century modern flair. A more dramatic use of green tile is in this shower. The deep teal and green tile packs a punch, making the bathroom feel like a true oasis. Stacking the subway tile, as opposed to staggering it, also makes it look more clean and modern. Green with envy over these examples? We don't blame you. Whether you're trying to create a chic, mid-century modern kitchen or a zen bathroom retreat, green tile should be on your radar. Take a look at our galleries on our website, order any of our ready-to-ship fan favorites, or get in touch for some extra help.